open up our sheep hearts order. In the bucket we can see the different sheep hearts. I think in here we have like 15 of those sheep hearts that came in. We take a sheep heart out and we kind of try to dry it up with some napkins. Now the sheep hearts are ready to work with. We kind of pick it up, just look at those blood vessels. You can see that it's like an aorta right there, the biggest blood vessel. Now we have students start by trying to figure out the external layer that is called the pericardium, a very tough layer that surrounds the heart, after which they go down into trying to carefully make an incision from the anterior down to posterior, or down to the apex. After making that incision, their main assignment would be to try and identify the four chambers, the upper chambers, which are